My name is Ark. Last year, when I was in the 4th year of my graduation, I thought of pursuing MBA in the future. A couple of my friends told me that MBAGuru is also nice, so I went in there, and the teacher there counseled me and told me about the adaptive preparation. So that really piqued my interest, and that's why I chose MBAGuru. Initially, I was really scared of Quant and DILR. The adaptive preparation method really helped me because it gave us 2 levels. The level 1 was for the beginners and level 2 for the people with advanced skills. So initially, I was stuck at the level 1, but with time, with the help of my teachers, I got to the level 2 and then I scored really well in the exam. My final CAT score was 99.40 percentile. And initially, I used to score like 40-50 percentile. In my final score, my DLR score was 99.99. So with the help of Rajat sir and the adaptive methodology, it really helped me overcome the fear I had of the exam. My quant section was really a big weakness because my graduation was humanities based and I hadn't done any maths in the last 5 years. But then with the help of Ashish sir, I really did well. I was stuck at level 1. I was not able to even complete the level 1 exercises. But then my teachers gave me a little tips, a few techniques how to do it. And then after a couple of months, I saw that I was able to even solve the level 2 exercise completely. So it gave me a knowledge of advanced questions which can come in the CAT exam. First of all, the teachers, the Rajat sir, I was taught by Rajat sir, Ashish sir and Tina ma'am. All 3 of them were always supportive, always attentive to our texts at all times. The second thing was the adaptive method because it was there for the beginners as well and for the advanced student as well. And the third thing was the AirCats as we had 20 mock exams ready at any time which we can give and the sectional exams as well. Yeah, in the first couple of months, I scored negative in DLR. I was at rock bottom. I was thinking I cannot do this. After talking to my teachers, they said that things happen. Anything can happen in an exam. You just have to be confident and give your best. MBAGuru really helped me not with the exam but with my future as well. The teachers taught me how to tackle any difficult situation in the future and what should I be prepared for in an MBA. How should I have an outlook for everything while I'm doing the course and what my alternatives are after an MBA.